So Abdul has more than 3 decades of domestic and international experience in the management of ongoing and start-up public and private companies, and also business development. He is qualified as a barrister at law and received his master's degree in comparative law from Brunel University. So, Abdul, please.
Your Worship, dear guests, friends, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, this is CPT's finest hour. Let's give them a big hand. Let me first welcome you all to the unveiling ceremony of our unique Caesar technology and our first system for the landfill application. It is a dream of every entrepreneur and every enterprising person to launch his or her dream project. But to bring such projects to fruition is at times elusive and often not easy. Such projects are invariably confronted by multitudes of challenges, from limited capital resources to technological. Sometimes they all come together simultaneously, and rest assured we had our share of that. But a determined team is not dissuaded or discouraged by such problems. An innovative team is inspired and motivated by being confronted with difficult issues as it tries to find workable and practical solutions, which otherwise would have eluded an average person. And this means often one has to be innovative in his or her thinking and take outside the box approach. This is what we did at this company. We were not deflated or discouraged by progress-related hiccups and wrinkles, as they often occur in development projects. We adopted innovative and novel solutions to difficult engineering problems, and we pursued unique strategies to achieve our objectives. Our team is first class and determined, and 100% committed to this project, and this is the testament of that. We have a group of technology experts and engineers headed by Mike Burns, who have developed this technology where there is no previous development model to follow, nor any roadmap to guide us. We had to be creative and find solutions to problems where at times time was the essence, and timeline to meet the milestone was absolutely critical. In the end, survival of a company depends on successful completion of a project, not on procrastination. And we produced it. We walked through a marathon of challenges and conquered mountains of frustrations. But we never allowed scores of doubters and skeptics to temper our objectives. Our project plan was agreed from the beginning and pointed only in one direction, and that is the direction to the goalpost. Our determination to succeed was solid and non-negotiable. We did it with absolute confidence in our ability to deliver a successfully completed project. And today we can say we have. Finally, we are here and proudly displaying our Caesar technology. Mike has mentioned something about Caesar technology, but what is it really? What is Caesar technology? Some of you may know, some of you may not. In a nutshell, Caesar technology is unique, and it is an answer to create energy efficiency in a smarter way. When the world is searching for new ways to provide energy efficiency, CPT found an answer that was sound, simple, practical, and effective. The elegance, as you will see, the elegance of this technology lies in its simplicity, not in its complexity. A lot of energy is wasted from internal combustion engine in the form of exhaust heat. As a matter of fact, almost about 35, 36%. By capturing it and using it to create superheated steel, we found that we can provide an additional 8% of free energy. Just when you thought there is no free lunch, we just served you one. Now, when someone talks about 8%, it may not look too impressive. But in the engineering world, this is considered massive. We are told by leading truck engine manufacturer in Europe, a member of the EU country, that they are having difficulty in squeezing 0.25% of additional energy from the current engine. 0.25%. They called Mike Burns and said, how do you do it? Well, the bottom line is I'm happy to say they are talking to us for a collaborative relationship. Similarly, other name-recognized engine manufacturers have invited us to test our system on their engines. And the potential for a collaborative relationship with these companies is real. In addition to interest shown by landfill operators in the UK, I can say with satisfaction that we have received interest from landfill operators in Canada, United States, India, and China. As Michael just mentioned, the market potential for landfill application just in the UK and US is in excess of 360 million pounds, or $500 million, just from a small outfit in New Haven. This is an incredible story. So stay tuned for more good news to come in the coming months. And yes, Madam Mayor, addressing to you, we will put New Haven on the map. I want to thank each and every member of my team for their commitment and dedication to this project and for bringing this project to a successful conclusion. Let's give them a big hand. Yes to Mike and the team. Guys, we did it. And if I may borrow the line from the famous Frank Sinatra song, we did it our way. I'm truly proud of all of you. So with this one, I'll now cut the ribbon and then open the curtain so Mike can explain you what the technology is all about. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here are Pride Technology.